Hi guys, it's Madgie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. It's kind of like a very shimmery purple look. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video yet. So yeah, before we get started, I would like you guys to please subscribe to this channel. I upload every single week, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with my Tarte ShapeTape concealer in the color Deep. I'm just going to add just a little bit. I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques brush. I'm blending it out a little bit more with my beauty blender. Now I'm just setting it with my Laura Mercier loose setting powder, just so that the concealer doesn't move. I am adding some tape. I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand to take off the tackiness and then put it on. And then make sure they're even. I'm going into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Zobo, and add that to my crease. Gonna do the other eye. By the way, this is a Sigma E35. I'm just going to keep adding the color until I'm satisfied with the pigment. Now what I'm doing is bringing the shade towards the inner corners. Little by little. This is a clean brush. I'm just going on top and kind of diffuse the color upwards. And just keep blending. I'm going to deepen my crease up with that shade right here. It's called Fulani. I'm going back in with the purple shade and add a little bit more of that color. Right now what I'm doing is cutting my crease, concealer in my middle lid, and then I'm going to blend it inwards. And then outwards. Okay, so for now, for my lid shade, I'm going into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to use this color right here. It's called Twilight. I'm going to be using my MAC 242. I am going to spray my brush.
No
So now what I'm going to do is take my Cover FX Shimmer Veil and just add that to the middle of my lid. It looks like this. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using Cashmere, which is that shade right here. I'm going back with a fluffy brush and just blend together all the shades. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D waterproof liquid eyeliner. So I finished my foundation off camera, and for concealer I'm going to be using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealers, and both the colors Almond and Caramel. Caramel is a little too light, so I'm going to add Almond on top. I'm actually going to spray my beauty blender because it's a little too dry. Oh, I'm setting my eyes with my MAC 129 brush. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder and the shade D4, and I'm going to be using my MAC 140S brush. It looks like so. I'm only gonna bronze a little bit. My advice. You say that you love it and you're okay. But I am cleaning it up a little bit because I was a little messy. For blush, I'm going to use my MAC Blush and Raisin as always. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. Not too much. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the dark shade I use in my crease, and then this shade right here, the first shade I used to blend it. I'm darkening my waterline with my black eyeliner. I am connecting my top liner to my bottom. For lip liner, I'm going to be using my NYX matte lip liner in the color Cherry Skies. Actually don't like this, so I'm going over it with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. On top, I'm going to be adding my Fenty Beauty Cosmic Gloss in the color Gal on the Moon. It looks like this. To finish everything off, I'm going to add some falsies, and I'll be back with the final look. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for videos every single week, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.